Welcome to School Insight's Tech Tip Tuesday. This week we'll review student custom fields. While School Insight has hundreds of standard student fields, we still get questions about how to add new pieces of student data. In order to remain flexible, each district can create their own fields within the site. For example, maybe you want to store each student's after-school program. There isn't a standard field for this in School Insight, so we'll add this to the district. To start, simply navigate to Options, Configure Student Fields, Create New Field. Each field has a series of options. First is its availability. Each field can be either at the district and available to all schools or only available to a single school. The next choice we have is Name, which is how the field will appear throughout the site. After that, we need to pick the type. Here's a list of available types and examples for each. Note that for number fields, you can either pick integer, which are whole numbers, or numbers with decimals. True, false will appear as yes or no, and file uploads allow you to add documents to the student record, similar to existing IEP and 504 files in the SPED tab. For our example, student after school programs, list is most appropriate. This will appear as a drop-down list throughout the site, which allows admin to pick from a preset list of options. Once we pick list, an area to add list items appears at the bottom. Simply hit the plus to add more items. With the list built out, we can review the last few options. Fields set to mandatory need to be entered for all students. If the field is set to show on students' multi-view, it will appear there. Fields set to reset yearly will return to the default when students are promoted from one year to the next. If no default is set, the field will return to blank. The last option lets you make this field available to instructors if appropriate. Now that we've created the field, we can enter data by navigating to Students, Single View, Miscellaneous, Custom Fields. Clicking the pencil icon brings out a stack window from which you can enter data for the field. Custom fields are also available on Students Multi-View, Mass Edit. One last note, if we navigate back to the main Student Fields page, by default this page shows all of the student fields, both those you've created and standard School Insight fields. Similar to the other grids throughout the site, you can filter and sort by any combination of columns. If you want to see just the fields you've created, simply click the filter icon to the right of the custom column and set the filter to yes. Now we can see just the custom fields available at our district. Hovering on a row allows you to see the plus icon, which expands the details template showing more information about the field. Or you can click the pencil icon on the right to edit the field. Thank you for joining us for School Insight's Tech Tip Tuesdays. Keep an eye out for more tips next week, and in the meantime, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.